యువత మద్య పదార్థాల బారిన పడద్దు అంటూ గురుదేవ్ రవిశంకర్ సూచించారు. యువత ఒత్తిడికి గురవుతోందని, వాటి నుంచి బయటపడేందుకు కొందరు మత్తు పదార్థాలకు బానిసలుగా మారుతున్నారని ఆందోళన వ్యక్తం చేశారు. మత్తు పదార్థాల వినియోగానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా యువతతో ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేయించారు. విశాఖపట్నంలో గీతం డ్రీమ్స్ విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో నిర్వహించిన యూత్ మీట్లో గురుదేవరాయ శంకర్ పాల్గొని మాట్లాడారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ, సమాజంలో మానవతా విలువలను పెంచడానికి కలిసి నడుద్దాం, కలిసి ఎదుగుదాం, ముందుకు సాగుదాం అని పిలుపునిచ్చారు. యోగా, ధ్యానం ద్వారా ఒత్తిడిని దూరం చేసుకోవచ్చంటూ ఆయన సూచించారు. భారతదేశం అనేక రంగాల్లో పురోగతి సాధిస్తోందని, యువత చైతన్యవంతమైతే దేశాన్ని ప్రపంచంలో అగ్రస్థానంలో నిలపొచ్చని అన్నారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తమలోని శాస్త్రవేత్తను బయటకు తీయాలని, దేశం గర్వించదగ్గ శక్తులుగా మారాలని అన్నారు. అందరూ మనవాళ్లే అనే భావనతో సమాజంలో మంచిని పెంచాలని హితవు పలికారు. గీతం అధ్యక్షుడు ఎం శ్రీభారతి సందర్భంగా మాట్లాడారు. ఆర్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ సంస్థలో తమ విద్యార్థులు 2000 మంది సభ్యులుగా చేరి ప్రయోజనం పొందారని చెప్పారు. విశాఖ యువత జీవితంలోని ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ముందుకు సాగాలంటూ పిలుపునిచ్చారు.
Thank you so much, Gurudev, for accepting our invitation to come to our campus and speak to such a fantastic audience in front of us. We have many participants from the city who couldn't miss this event. We have our leaders, faculty, guests, students. We are close to, I don't know what the number is, but definitely over 25,000-30,000. And I want to thank all of the institutions who have come forward to send your students to be a part of this special event. We have over 30 institutions represented here with almost 15,000-20,000 students from outside of Geetam. And you can see all of the stands filled with them. Thank you, students. This is going to be a very special evening. I've met Gurudev for the first time a year and a half ago. The first time I met him, I invited him to Geetam. He smiled at me. I was so happy. The second time I met him, he said he'll come. And as he said, he has agreed and he has come, and we are so happy. In the last year and a half or two, over 2,000 students have done the Yes Plus Art of Living program that is meant for student leadership, student wellness. And we also have faculty and staff of Geetam, close to 100 who have done it. And these are the students who've been the leaders, who've really put all of this event together. Geetam leaders are there to help, but it is the student volunteers, the ones who've done the DSN workshop, another 400, who are the true shoulders on which this event is happening. I want to thank the Narayana Group, which has over 5 lakh students in the state, 40,000 students in this part of the state.
I haven't come across such a situation, nor did I come across a situation where I broke somebody's heart, someone broke my heart. Usually people get into spirituality when their hearts are broken, or some failed love affairs, and for me, no. From my childhood, I've always wanted to do what I'm doing, and I am comfortable with it.
When COVID hit, we were unprepared to handle the threat. How we can, as a human race, prepare for uncertainty of the future?
Uncertainty of future can be countered by being certain about your inner power, your inner potential. You must know there is a greater power of consciousness, a greater power in the universe that's watching over, that's taking care of. This one idea, thought in your mind can help you move through any challenging time. Okay? And if you want to add one more thing to it, it says Satyameva Jayate. Truth will always come out. Yeah. You know, when COVID happened, I said this is not a natural virus, it's a man-made virus. Many of our people said, oh Gurudev, don't say that, it will be controversy, this and that. I said, no, I know it, I say it. Now, after so many months, it is out there. It is not a natural virus, it's a man-made virus. And these are the tendency of a sick mind which thinks the world can be sustainable if the population goes down. They think they are doing it to make the world sustainable. They think the earth cannot sustain a population explosion, so you have to cut it and so create this sort of virus and all that. No, human values should reign on top. With all the talents, with all the knowledge, with all the science we have, we must not ignore human values. What do you say? What do you say? How many of you agree with me on this? Human values should be the top priority. Kada? Just raise your hand. Let me see how many can raise your hands. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Ancient wisdom or modern technology?
Modern technology through ancient wisdom. Or the other way around, ancient wisdom through modern technology.
Science, silence or music?
At different times, all three needed.
Gurudev, పూతరేకులు or బందర్ లడ్డు?
మార్నింగ్ ఒకటి, ఈవినింగ్ ఒకటి.
The first word,
పొద్దున్న పూతరేకులు, సాయంత్రము లడ్డు. ఏమి కదా?
the first word which comes on your mind when you hear these words? Love,
Myself.
exams,
Easily manageable.
sports,
Life is to be sportive.
failure, failure, failure,
Failure. It's a step towards success.
What was your favorite subject when you were in college?
I don't want to make any subject feel jealous.
One thing that you love to do the most of the times?
See you all smile and be happy.
One advice to present youth?
I think that's what I did. Why should I ration one advice? I have many, and I have already given all that. Got it?
That's it, Gurudev.
You are very, very precious. Your life is precious to India. Remember that. You are not living just for yourself. If you are not happy living for yourself, know that you are needed on this planet. You are needed by Mother India. You know, every 40 seconds, one Yuva is committing suicide in the world. We don't want this to happen anymore. Because we want to inform everyone, we want to tell everyone, hey, you are not here only for yourself. You know, there is a mantra to get depressed. You know what it is? Just say, what about me, what about me, what about me, what about... Anyone will get depressed. What about you? But when you say, I am here for you, to everyone around you, and do whatever little you can, you will get a renewed enthusiasm to live. Right? I want all of you to turn to your left, right, or in the front or back before you leave to tell your friends, hey, I am here for you. నేనున్నానయ్యా అని చెప్పండి. ఐఎమ్ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ. నేనున్నాను. అది ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తుంది మన లోపల కూడా. నేనున్నాను మీకోసరము అని. ఏమి నేను చెప్పాను, నేనున్నాను మీకోసరము.